Hello guys, we are going to be opening packs today as an introduction to our channel, or to this version of our channel. I will be doing the commentary from the camera, and he will be opening packs. I won't show his face because yeah. Let's get into the video. Okay, let's start reviewing the cards.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oriole Park at Camden Yards. Oh. J.J. Hardy. Mark Reynolds. Jeremy Guthrie. Kevin Gregg. Josh Bell. Jake Arrieta. Derek Lee. Koji Uedaha. Luke Scott. Brian Roberts. Nolan Reimold. Felix Pye. Chris Tillman. Brian Matuz. Adam Jones. Nick Merkakis. Moving on to the next pack. We have another mega pack. No, we're opening one of the 16 card packs. Oh, my fault. Okay, now moving on to the showing packs. I see we had some pretty good packs. All right. Stars of MLB, Nolan Arendo. Oh, yes, next pack. Next 16 card pack. Let's go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's go. Best pack so far. We have another Stars of MLB, Javier Baez. And another Stars of MLB, Bobby Witt Jr. And of course, we have on the Rays, Brandon Lowe. Okay, let's put them on the stack. Moving on to the last 16 card pack. Okay, now let's go. Another Stars of MLB. Let's go. We're getting pretty lucky here. Okay, there we go. Stars of MLB. Now we have Juan Soto.
Recording now. 3, 2.
Moving on to our mega pack. Mega pack number 1. Let's go. Okay. Sure. And that's the end to our first mega pack. Here we go. We have Riley Green. And now we have another Stars of MLB, Juan Soto. And in a holographic card, Paul Blackburn. On to our last mega pack. Here we go. And this will be our last pack of today, I believe. Unless we have some more. Holographic card. Ooh, Stars of MLB. Ooh, another Stars of MLB. 2 in a row, just like the last pack. Okay, that's our last card of our last pack. Our first stars of MLB, Javier Baez. Our second stars of MLB is Byron Buxton. Our holographic card, Miguel Cabrera. Our first gold cup, Bobby Witt Jr. Our second gold cup, Stephen Kwan. Thank you so much for watching our first card opening. If you like our card opening, this first card opening, drop a like and hit that subscribe button for more. Thank you. Bye. Let's go. Okay. Sure.